Hey guys, it's Chuck. Welcome back to the shop for another Screwy Tuesday. Of course, as soon as I talk, my buddy Howie comes over. Well, my lips aren't pink anymore from my Halloween video. I hope everybody that watched it enjoyed, and if I offended you, well, it's just me being screwy. Click it off. But let's see, today's video, I'm still wore out, but to be honest with you, finishing this up. This is Sunday morning, daylight savings time. I'm all screwed up on time. But today's video is going to be a little bit of what I'd call copycat. Gonna show you something up here that I copied, and then something I saw on the web that I copied. I thought I was going to try to get more in, but I just, come on, dog. Come on. Okay, yeah. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Okay. Okay. Goodbye. Go. Thank you. Go. Look, yeah, that's a camera up there. Okay. So, shit. I thought I was going to have more time, but I don't. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll keep on going. I actually wrote a list the other day, and I've got some 20+ projects in the works that I need to do. Problem with me is I got a whole lot of start and not much finish. But anyway, again, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for all your support, subscriptions, friendship, and have a good time. Okay, no more 8-ball in this shop. We got the SCREWYBALL. my label, what a mess. I made a mess out of the ball, but that's all right. So this thing does predict pretty damn good. So the other day I mentioned I dropped my micrometer off of the lathe. I went to pick up a Allen wrench handle and it threw it off. Well, since that time, and since my pal Chewy was here working and using my lathe, I haven't been able to find my magnifier. And I've been blaming Chewy that he took it home, but we're going to ask the SCREWYBALL here a few questions and see if we can find it. I've been looking, I haven't found it, so I'm going to try to find it. So the first question, is the magnifier still in the shop? What's that say? I can't read it from the camera. My sources say no. Well, I guess I'm not going to look for it then. This thing is usually right, so I'm going to go over to Chewy's and go look for it. Okay, SCREWYBALL. I just checked my machine shop and my main shop again, and I can't find my magnifier. Does Chewy have it? Yes. How come you didn't tell me before that Chewy had it? Do you know what the hell you're doing? Very doubtful. That's the truth. Anyway, I called Chewy after another exhaustive search and said, hey, go out and look. And he goes, well, yeah. He goes, no, I don't have it. And he goes, well, I do have one here with initial CB on it. Yeah, that's mine. You took it. I started marking all my stuff when you started in here. Anyway, so we found my eyepiece, and the SCREWYBALL is a little screwy. All right. This here's another copy item. I copied it from Tom Lipton, and if you guys haven't done this for yourself, you're missing out. Typically we all have those little quart cans, and you can't dispense a little bit onto a rag. This is one of the better things that I've done in my shop, and so I suggest to you guys pick up some of the plastic bottles and make your own dispensers. It's a great copy. It's a great idea. Thanks, Tom. Here's another copy idea. I was watching Jody Welding Tips and Tricks.com, his YouTube channel, and let's cut to a photo. Okay, back from that photo. I saw that little hold down setup he had on that lightweight table, and I says I gotta copy it. So Harbor Freight clamp, it's gonna get amputated. This was from another job where I cut off part of a deep impact socket. So we'll turn the head of the bolt, it will fit in that hole, weld that in, and then size this side for the clamp so that we have a hold down. So we'll bring you back. I think this is going to be a nice accessory to my welding table. Okay, well, I've been playing around, so I took the 1/2-inch bolt and turned the head so that it'll fit inside here. Then we'll do a nice little fusion weld in there. That's my goal. And then on this side, I went overhead on the mill and opened it up so that this guy fits into there. Be a nice tight fit. So, and then this will get welded right here. And we'll have our tool. Bring you back. Well, I've got this set up to weld, and I'm using one of my modified Harbor Freight clamps. I did a video on that previously. I'll put a card for a link to it. But anyway, I thought I'd better hold that bolt down straight, because I know my luck is I'd end up with the cup pushing it crooked. So got it 90 degrees to the table right now, and see if I can get in there and get a weld on it. There's no room, and I'm terrible. Everything's stuck. Quit laughing. Shit. Let me clean up and get rid of the clamp and try some more. Well, let's see if the old baby bullet can help me here. Christ. I think I'm pre-Parkinson's. My God, I can't hold my hand steady. Good thing I can put this back in the lathe and turn it. My whole idea here sucks. Boy, just terrible. I don't know if I should show this to you guys or not. Looking terrible. Everybody makes it look so easy. about that? 5 beads. You can see the, I'm getting contamination. Learning that real quick here. And we'll keep on keeping on. Cut my bolt some. Okay, well, as this video continues on, cleaned up my welds, so that portion of it's completed. And what did I learn? I learned there was a lot of contamination, besides I was trying to weld someplace where I really didn't have that good of access to it. But so the contamination was not good. So I got a little smarter. This side's all ready to weld, and the bottom of the piece is cleaned off also. So I shouldn't have any contamination. So I'll get it all parallel and perpendicular, and put the old torch to this and see how I do. Okay, there it is. It's finished. I think you guys had enough laughing at my earlier welding shots there, so I thought I'd save you save your guts so you don't have to laugh some more. But it turned out well. A couple lessons I learned in this was cleanliness. And here's another lesson. So as you notice, it's a different color here. I think you can see that. Well, I ended up finishing it with silicone bronze rod. And I did that by mistake, actually. When I end up with short sticks of rod, I thought it was a smart idea to go ahead and put them in a little holder over there. Well, smart me, I was mixing them all up. So I just grabbed this guy thinking it was mild steel, and it was silicone bronze. Oh well, it looks pretty. So anyway, it works well. Happy I made it, and it should get some uses in the welding table here. Quick setup, and I'm glad I built it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next Tuesday.